The business strategy and culture of Mahindra businesses flow from our core purpose, which is to drive positive change in the lives of our stakeholders and communities across the world to enable them to rise. Shared value is at the center of our core purpose and hence is the major driver of both business strategy as well as culture. The result is that many of our businesses focus on the unmet needs of underserved customers in underpenetrated markets. And the business model depends on the growing prosperity of our customers to generate our own return on capital employed. This drives the nature of our products and services and the kind of stakeholder interaction required from our employees. Let me highlight some businesses that clearly bring out societal needs as a source of business opportunity. Mahindra Finance serves the needs of bottom of the pyramid traders, entrepreneurs, unemployed youth and farmers in rural and semi-urban India who would find it very difficult, if not impossible, to get loans from banks, leaving the village money lender as the only alternative. Mahindra Finance steps in with a unique earn and pay business model which provides loans not for consumption but for income generation and which assesses the creditworthiness not from credit history since there is none, but by assessing the potential income that the borrower can generate in the future through the assets financed. Over the past 2 decades, we have created over 4 million small entrepreneurs and have cumulatively financed assets over $40 billion US dollars. Most of these customers were the sole wage earners of their families. Mahindra Insurance Brokers provides them tools for risk protection, both for life as well as the financed assets, through customized insurance solutions, including a unique product where the loan gets waived off in case of death of the borrower. More than 6 million insurance cases have been serviced in 150,000 villages across India since its inception in 2004. Mahindra Rural Housing Finance steps in with products that provide for basic housing needs in these underbanked areas. Since its inception in 2007, we have impacted 1.5 million people. The Mahindra Agri-Business vertical provides a one-stop solution model which connects the farmer to the final consumer through a gamut of agricultural products and services, which embraces soil testing, agri-inputs, agri-counseling, sharing of best practices, etc., and a forward linkage to the market. So, for example, our 800 grape farmers have increased their output and price realization by at least 2 times in the past few years, and we have also made profit, thus illustrating shared value at work. Other examples of shared value businesses are the rise of our green businesses, ranging from micro irrigation to solar energy to electric vehicles and vehicles powered by alternate cleaner fuels like CNG. Our real estate business is committed to green buildings and carbon neutral world cities like the Mahindra World City Jaipur, which incidentally is a part of the C40 Clinton Climate Initiative. And it may interest you to note that as a group, we are water positive. All processes, systems, metrics, and mindsets of the organization have to be focused on creating prosperity for our customers by helping them increase their income and reduce risk. We operate at the intersection of social needs and commercial viability, and our entire approach to business transformation is driven by the RISE pillars of accepting no limits, alternative thinking, and driving positive change to enable our stakeholders and communities to rise. All HR levers, which include recruitment, performance management, talent management, reward and recognition, etc., are aligned to the RISE pillars and the core purpose. Taken together, these drive the strategy, the business implementation, and the culture of the organization. The important point to note is that you cannot deliver shared value unless you have aligned all aspects of the company's ecosystem to this end. Since the unmet needs of underserved customers in underpenetrated markets is the mother font for business opportunities, we clearly need to have a deep understanding of and connection with the customer. Creating innovative and commercially viable solutions requires us, from business necessity, to collaborate very closely with village, district and state government machinery, NGOs, educational institutions, also with insurance companies, regulatory authorities and government financial institutions. So our entire mindset is of collaborating with stakeholders. A good example is how we tied up with the municipal corporation of a small town in central India. The corporation had constructed homes for slum dwellers. A deep price discount was offered, but despite that, the response to the scheme was very poor, as the customers could not afford even the small amount payable. We tied up with the corporation, and in just a month, a large number of customers were financed by us. Thus, the corporation met its social objective and also realized monies which it could now channelize into new projects. Bottom of the pyramid customers got good housing, and we were able to get customer acquisition at a low cost. Shared value at work.